Hey Tim, you think you can get me a Christmas tree?
Yeah, we can get a Christmas tree.
Excellent. Thanks, man.
Yeah, no problem.
And that's how you cut down Christmas trees in the Yukon.
High speed became go slow, come back this time. Wishful thinking's gonna make you mine. Push turns to shove, got no more room for love. I hope you hear me, can't stand you next to me. Get lost, goodbye. I'll smile before you cry.
Next stop, Whistler, just 3,000 kilometers.
Tonight you'll be alright.